My name is Liia, and I own a skincare company. My background is I'm a doctor of pharmacy and doctor of philosophy in drug development and biomarker research. So 4 years ago, I started EpiLynx, which is a non-toxic clean beauty specifically designed for people with sensitive skin. And here I am sharing my experiences in running business and starting it from scratch and really answering all operational questions that you may have. So today I'm going to focus on Amazon, and I'm going to share my screen. And here actually you can see my Amazon dashboard, Seller Central. So when you start with Amazon, you obviously register your skincare. Like you can see here, we registered our trademark. And I wanted to focus on one thing. So people have been asking me on how to upload videos to your listing. So, when you go to inventory, you go to manage all inventory. And say you have this face moisturizer, right? So you click on the moisturizer and you click on let me move myself on edit listing. So when you click on edit listing, you can see here that there are product details you can put, like what your product does, the name, etc. You see images that you can change. You see variations, offer, like what's the price are you giving, if you're running any discounts, and then safety and compliance. That's basically required by Amazon according to the new MOCRA and all the guidelines. But there's no way to put any videos, and videos obviously are the ones that make or break on Amazon. So the way to add videos is simple. So you go back to Amazon Seller Central. Then you go these three dots, hamburger menu. And when you can see here at catalog, you can see add products, etc., etc., etc. And then you see upload and manage videos. So you click on that. And here you can basically see all the videos. See, some videos we uploaded are rejected because they didn't like something somebody said, or maybe the music was copyright or anything else. So basically, it can be rejected for various reasons. The words that I used, etc. Obviously, we don't control. These are all different influencers that basically created content and gave the right for us to use. But that's the easy way to upload. So for example, here's a recommendation. Hey, this product doesn't have a video. Upload a video, it will help. Upload this one. And if you just want another product where you want the video to be uploaded, you go to upload the video. You put a title, you put your ASIN, that's the Amazon identifier for your product. And you just drag or upload the video, and that's it. And you submit. It may be rejected, it may be accepted. You'll see it within 24 hours, but this is the easy way to upload the videos to a specific ASIN. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any questions, please drop them below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.